Hi everyone, it's Lorie from Dee's, and today we are back with another new kit. This one is called Summer Citrus. This is a kit that we are going to be able to make this really fun, summery, really colorful wreath for your door or for anywhere you'd like to hang this. So as always, everything that you need is going to be available in your kit except for this 18-inch grapevine wreath. And these wreaths are available on our site at shopdeeslouisville.com. Or if you'd rather go to a smaller wreath or a larger wreath, you can adjust whichever way you'd like to go. So in your kit, this one's going to be really easy because we just have two bushes. We have this adorable lemon bush and this fun summer bush with the poppies and all the beautiful colors. So it has a nice little assortment of greeneries. And of course, your fun ribbons. These are all going to be in there to make it pop. So to start out, we are going to take our bush and we are just going to cut this apart. So I'm just coming right down here at the bottom and I'm taking off these lemon stems, right? So you'll have 5 stems here to work with. And all those leaves are nice and full on there. So what I'm going to do is I like to just start out and make my perimeters of where I'm going to place everything. Remove this little price tag here. Don't want to leave that hidden in there. And you can use your glue gun, or we have our glue pot that we use. And these chips are available on our site. I can't talk today. And these work really well. I actually bought myself a mini electric skillet. And I just love it because you plug it in, it heats up, you use your glue, then you unplug it, and it solidifies, and you can just put it away until the next time. So these chips are available at shopdeeslouisville.com, and they're just really nice. So I had someone message the other day to ask about putting glue sticks in their pot, and to be quite honest, we've never tried that before, so I'm not sure if that's going to work or not. But once you put the glue in your pot, that's going to become your glue pot. You're not going to be able to use it for anything else later on. So, you know, don't pick your favorite grandma's, you know, electric skillet she always fried chicken in that means so much to you and put your glue in it, because you're not going to be able to use it for anything else besides your glue. So, I'm just putting a little glue on the ends of my stems. So I put my first stem up here, and I'm going to shoot this stem out this way. So we're just kind of, you know, defining where we want our design to be. And there's no right or wrong. So if you wanted to go across the top or just across the bottom, you can do that, because it's all about what you like. And that's always the hardest part, is choosing what you like. So I'm going to go back in here, and we're just going to fill in a little space in here. Now these are wired stems, so you can kind of bend them and shape them. And the little lemons will just kind of hang off, but just really fun for summer. So I'm going to take this other stem, and I'm just going to go right in here and add a little bit there, so we can have some hanging down there. And we'll take our last stem, and I'm just going to put this one right out this way. Give it a little fullness over in there. So you have all your lemon stems in place, and then next we're going to take our floral bush. So this is a really nice full bush. So we're just going to take this, and I'm just going to rip these stems down, and you're going to end up with 4 pieces, just like so. So I'm going to straighten up these ends a little bit with my wire cutters. And we are going to fluff this up. Remember, that's the important thing. You don't ever want to put those in there when they haven't been brought back to life after being packed away. So I'm going to put a little glue on my stem there. And we're going to put that right in here. And these are just bright, fun colors. Really pretty for summer. And I'm going to take this next long stem, let's take this one because this is the same as the other one. We'll kind of spread that through. Again, you just want to fluff it up. This is pretty because you get a little bit of eucalyptus, a little bit of fern. So it's really nice, a nice assortment. Put some glue on the bottom of our stem there. And I'm just going to poke this one right up this way. Put that down in that wreath. Push that down in there. And then we're going to take this next stem. This stem here is really pretty. It's got that bright red poppy. And again, you get all those nice assortments of greenery. And the stems are wired, so that makes it even better. So we're going to put our glue on the bottom of that stem. And I'm just going to poke that right down in there to fill in there. And we'll take our last stem. Fluff this one up. And put our glue on this stem. And then we're just going to poke that right in here. So we've just kind of gone in and filled in all of our spaces there. I'll bend that poppy down a little bit. And then we still have our space left to put our bow. So, and if you're like me, I always have glue strings. So you could always take a hairdryer and just blow that hairdryer over it and it zaps those little cobwebs right off. Or you can pull those strings. So I'm going to start out with my pretty pink ribbon. I love this ribbon. This is a new one for us. It has that black and white check edge. It is just so beautiful. And we're going to leave our little tail at the top. So just pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. Next, we're going to take our stripe. And again, we're just going to make our tail, twist, pinch and gather, pinch and gather. And last but not least, we're going to add in our yellow just to match our lemons and brighten up. Now we could go back in and add an extra little loop. If we want to, you could add a couple extra loops if you want to. And we'll just wire this right off. So your wire will be included in your kit. And you just want to wrap that around where you've been holding your bow together. Pull that nice and tight in the back. And then we're just going to go right in here and just wire this right on to our wreath. Pull that nice and tight to make it nice and secure. And then we can trim off that excess wire. And you could always use your excess wire to make yourself a little door hanger for the top if you'd like to have a little loop. I usually just put these in there and then just twist them and make a nice little loop for my hanger. We're going to fluff up our ribbons here and trim our tails. And of course, as always, this wired ribbon just kind of perks up and just looks so nice, and it packs really well. At the end of the season, when you go to put your wreath away, you'll be able to bring it back to life next season when you use that wired ribbon. Got our little lemon kind of hiding down there, so I'm going to tuck it out. And there you have it, a quick and easy summer citrus wreath. So this kit is available at shopdeeslouisville.com. You can also purchase grapevine wreaths and glue chips. So check everything out there, and we'll see you again soon.